Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate a common use of SignaSearch Enterprise Trust Server. One of the key problems that ETS can help solve is proving that an application upgrade is performed completely and correctly in your production environment. This is done by comparing production devices with a known good device, commonly from user acceptance testing. ETS will tell you if the production servers match the UAT server exactly, or it will tell you about any differences it finds. Specifically, ETS can tell you if any of the files have been modified, if any files have been removed, or tell you if files have been added that don't belong. For our demonstration, we'll compare 3 production servers running Tomcat with a user acceptance test server. First, we apply the desired Tomcat upgrade to the UAT server and verify it with ETS to confirm success. Next, we'll update the snapshot for devices of this type, both UAT and production servers, so we can compare our production devices with the upgraded UAT server. Then we'll update the production servers and verify them to look for any deviations. First, let me log into the ETS Management Console to show devices we have in our demo. We have organized our devices by type and by location, and you can see we have groups for production and UAT. Also, you can see that we have a common policy called Web Policy that defines how we verify both UAT and production devices. We can drill down further to show the specific UAT server, and if we wanted, we could show many more details about this device. Now we'll update the server with Tomcat 6.0.14 and verify it to see if the upgrade was complete. From the display, you can now see that the UAT group has deviations, and we can drill down further to see what they actually are. We can see that UAT reference has deviations specifically associated with this policy, Web Policy. By expanding the details, we can view the products that these deviations are associated with. The results show that Tomcat 5.0.28 was expected to be present but wasn't. That's because we just removed it and updated this application. The verification process found some files but cannot identify them. Presumably they're Tomcat 6.0.14, but we can look them up in the Global Trust repository to check. This lookup shows that the files most likely belong to Apache Tomcat 6.0.14 due to the highest frequency of matches. This allows us to confirm that the correct version was deployed. From this information, we've showed that the upgrade was complete, and now we want to update the snapshot for devices of this type. First, I select the group of deviations I want to add to the snapshot, and then press the Update button. Then I specify the specific snapshot to update, and then I can enter a comment describing what I'm updating with this snapshot. Now I'll click Finish to complete the process. Now this snapshot is ready to be used to prove that Tomcat 6.0.14 has been correctly installed on my production servers. Now, because I've just appended my snapshot with these deviations, I'll clear them rather than rescan the UAT server. The next step in the demo is to apply the upgrade to our production servers. Now that we've upgraded production, we can verify each server to see if the upgrade was complete. We can immediately see that there are deviations in our production group. Drilling down, we can see that it's Web 3 using Web Policy that has deviations. And drilling down further, we can see that we observe Tomcat 5.0.28. In this demo, we didn't capture this Tomcat 6.0.14 signatures as a product, so we don't see them listed here. But we can always look it up again in the GTR. From the GTR results, we see that the expected deviations are likely related to Tomcat 6.0.14, again based on the frequency of matching. So, from this information, we've proved that Web 3 did not get the required upgrade, making it a straightforward process to bring this machine into compliance. So, with this demonstration, we've shown how ETS can be used to prove that your application upgrades are complete and correct using an independent reference. We've also showed that only 2 of the 3 production servers got the required update, and we identified which server specifically didn't get it. Furthermore, we provided detailed information on what was different on Web 3, allowing the fastest possible remediation. This concludes our demonstration. Thank you for your time.